Cawker City is located 20 miles west of Beloit on US 24 on the western edge of Mitchell County, Kansas. You may not recognize our town's name, but I bet you have heard of the world's largest ball of twine. The Cawker City Hesperian Historical Society has recently acquired the Ledger Building on our main street. It was built in 1879, and we are restoring it for additional space for our city museum. As you can see, this is a large undertaking, but we have been given a gracious donation by the daughter of Valentine Malik, who owned and operated a bakery and restaurant in the building for many years. We are using the donation as seed money to get the project started. We are making every effort to stretch those dollars by using volunteer labor to execute our plan. This is where you can help. We need to purchase 12 more scaffolding frames and 28 cross braces from the A1 Scaffolding Manufacturing Company of Hays, Kansas, to match what we already have. Just think, your donated dollars will help us and our community and will stay right here in Kansas after our purchase.